making a 9% profit consistently in the last 3 years. Every month is in profit, and I'm talking about the Dark Nova and one of the best CA I worked on. With this CA, I see every month in profit in the last 3 years with the 100% of history quality. I will show you all details in this video. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I am your host Abdul, and let's move to my screen. Here you can see the Dark Nova EA. Here on the top you can see a lot of pair. It is optimized on the $10 account in the cent account. So there was 1000 cents. But right now I'm going to show you its results on the $100 account. I have done its proper in-depth optimization on the gold and the USDCAD. Here you can see we can switch a single or combined results. So first of all, I will show you the gold results, and then we will check what will happen if we combine these results. So here for the gold, with a deposit of $100 in the cent account, we have 10,000 cents. It made a total 21,000 cents, means $214 in the last 3 years. And also here you can see all the details, the gross profit and loss, the profit factor, recovery factor. And here the most important thing is the balance drawdown. How much balance goes down in the last 3 years? It goes down maximum $53, and all other details are here. You can see the total number of trades and the win ratio and everything here. And here below the monthly profit and losses, you will see every month is closed with some profit. Sometime it make just 1.76 or 1.67%, and some months are closed with the 20.6% profit. But overall, in average, this EA make 9% per month. Now let me show you the results of USDCAD, how much it made. So in the last 3 years, it made 110% growth in the last 3 years, which is enough if every month is closed in the profit. And below here you can see every month is closed with profit. Some months are closed with even less than 1%, you can see here, and some months are closed with like 14.9, almost 15% in 1 month. But overall, when we look at yearly basis, it will make almost 9% every month. And this EA can survive on lower balance, even just $100 in cent account. And now let's move to our important question. So what happened if we apply on the gold and USDCAD on the same account with the $100 deposit? So let me show you here. So simply I will switch this to combine view and select these both file, so it will do calculations. Here you can see the initial deposit is $100, the total net profit is $325. If you divide 325% growth in 36 months, it will be around 9%. Now let me show you here below. You can see every month is in profit. So let me move it up, and I want to show you something. For example, if I uncheck this, you will see in the first row there are some profit like 1%, 2%, 0.36 and 1%. When I combine this result with it, so it's like 6%, 2%, 6%, 21%. Overall results are improved, and combining the results is good for account because, for example, one pair is giving us a drawdown. At the same time, the other pair will be making money and supporting the account because we are using XAU USD and USD CAD. In one pair, the USD is the second currency, and in the other pair, the USD is the first currency. And as you know about the correlation of these pairs, both pair will support each other and continuously making some good profits. To download this EA, simply you need to go to the website and simply click here on this download button. And to download the set files, you simply need to click here on this green download button with this set file to download the gold, and to download the USDCAD you can click on this button. If you want me to continue working on these kind of robots including free and paid, let me know in the comment section which EA you are using, and I can do proper in-depth analysis of the EA which you are using. Let me know in the comment section. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.